Hello guys, this is a guide on how to do the MON Testnet. So head over to our X account and make sure you are following them. Then you copy this to your Mrs. browser, this link here. Copy to your Mrs. browser and then you paste it. I've already done that. What I'll basically do is go to my Mrs. browser. So this is the link. Let me show you guys how to copy the link. So you basically come to your X, click on the link, then copy the link here. So just click here to copy the link. The link is copied. Then you paste it on your Mrs. browser. After pasting it on your Mrs. browser, you allow it to load. Then you click on Community Discord. When you click on Community Discord, if you don't have a Discord account, you create one. If you do, you connect your Discord account. But since we are using a mobile browser, we are going to switch to desktop site. And you can download the Discord app if you want to also use your Discord app. But if you don't use your Discord app, you can use the desktop site mode. When you accept it, I think the addition is full. Okay, yes, the server is full at the moment, so try again later. When you accept it, make sure you have a role, a verified role, and make sure you can message on the general chat. That being said, go and then join or create an account on their main site. So basically just paste this here. I'll drop it in the description, then allow it to load. After doing that, you make sure your extension is enabled. So first of all, unlock your wallet, the wallet you're going to use to connect first. So please hold while I do that. Okay, so I unlocked my wallet and I've connected it. After doing that, make sure you connect that Discord account. Yes, make sure you connect Discord account and then you copy the wallet address of your EVM wallet. So what we'll just basically do is come here, go to MetaMask, and then you copy this, copy the address, go back. But some of you will not have the network added, so to add the network, before you get this interface, you'll be asked to add MON Testnet. So you click on play, then you add MON Testnet to your list of networks. Add it manually if you're adding it to your MetaMask, but if you're using the Phantom wallet, you go to add automatically, so manually, and then you add it to MetaMask. So click on add to MetaMask, then it will be added. As you can see down here, it's added. That being said, now go back. Oh, sorry. Okay. Connect our wallet to the MetaMask wallet. So click on browser wallet instead of MetaMask. So I found out the problem. And then you connect it. You can see that it's connected. Then we'll paste the wallet address here. So I'm going to do that right now. After doing that, you click on Get Testnet. Now there's something I want to share. If you have 0.01 Ethereum on your Ethereum mainnet, you receive 2 MON. If you have the full access to their server, you receive 5 MON. You get. So you can only request once every 12 hours. But if you don't have the Ethereum and you haven't joined their Discord and have full access rule on their Discord, you just get 0.05 MON. You can also request from Faucet, which I'll also drop in the description. So what you can do is click get test MON. As you can see here, it's loading. Oh, let's solve the captcha. Bring it back to mobile site. Okay, now the mobile site. Let it load. If you're using the PC, you won't have any problem doing all this. This is for people using the mobile phone. So I'm going to paste it again. Normally they're supposed to ask us to solve a captcha. And if it keeps showing the error, you can use a VPN and keep reloading the page till you find where you're supposed to solve a captcha. So after doing that, you get a MON token. Sometimes you might get errors that this server is overloaded or JSON errors too. But then you keep retrying, or you can try any Faucet, which I'm going to drop an existing Faucet right now. Just hold on. Okay, so this is the Faucet sent from my friend. So click on it. After clicking on it, you log in. As you can see, this is my wallet. What you do is to get Faucet, and they'll give you 0.1 MON every day on that testnet. So you wait until the claim is successful. Okay, it's successful. As you can see, the timer is counting down. You refresh. So we have 0.1 MON. Then you click on this MON testnet, or click on send. Sorry. Then you select the amount of MON, which is 0. But don't type 0.1. You can use 0.09. Then you paste your address here. So I paste my address here. And you can see this is the reason I say 0.09 because of the fee. But since I already have in my wallet, I can just request the 0.1 and then send. And then it's be sent to my MON wallet here. So I'll receive it. Yeah. Okay, with that being said, let's say we want to find out if our wallet has received any Faucet token. So come here. Let me merge this. Okay, we'll come here. Then we'll paste this link here to their blockchain explorer. So we'll clean this. I'll paste the link in the description too, and also on my community group. It doesn't know that I'll edit this link. So just use this and then okay, it's opening. You can leave it on mobile sites, or you can switch to desktop sites, whichever one you're okay to use. Okay, so we'll paste our wallet here, wallet address. This wallet address, and then we'll search. So you can do your research. There are plenty of Faucets which you can receive MON. So after pasting the wallet here, it automatically detects if it's an address or not. Then you click on the address, and then you see the balance token. So this is the 0.1 that we just sent. So we received it. This is it. So after this, you'll mint an NFT. So I'll also drop the link to the NFT. There's so many tasks to be done under this MON network. So we'll be doing one, and then I'll drop the link to do others. But first of all, we'll do the primary ones, which is on the MON website. So let's go to the MON website. Okay, so we are back. We'll connect our wallet again. Mobile browser wallet. I'll unlock my wallet. Okay, so connect. When you go down, you just keep scrolling down. see this task, then we should buy one dark. So one dark is equal to 0.367 monad. So I'll buy for 0.06. 0.65. Then click on buy dark. I need to prompt on our wallet. So confirm transaction. As you can see, we've gotten it, and you can check the Explorer, the blockchain Explorer, and send it again. All results. Let's check out this out. And then this one, we're asked to buy one Yaki. Asked to buy one job. So these are done. So basically you can just come and paste your wallet address here. Paste it here. Then to confirm if it's a wallet or a contract address, and then you search. As you can see, we have 1.79 DAK, and this is transaction. Everything you do is actually recorded on the blockchain, so it is very, very valid for you to do everything. Yeah, and as you can see, this is my account. I created it 1 day and 10 hours ago. I should have an NFT, which is the NFT that I'm going to ask you guys to mint. NFT link, I'll drop it in the description too. That being said, let's go back. So I'm going to scroll down. Hold on, sorry. Okay, so we're going to buy Yaki. I'll buy it for 0.1 monad. So I'll buy Yaki too. We're going to execute on our MetaMask. Then confirm the transaction. Well. Oh, hold on, sorry. Let's see if my wallet is connected. Okay, it is. Let's try that again. Okay, so we'll click on confirm. And to confirm the transaction. Then we'll also click buy job too. Buy job and approve the transaction too. Confirm. So successfully swapped 0.011 to Yaki. We've done the same for House of Chalk. So you can see, let me. Okay, so that is for the ones on their website. There are many other things to be done on this monad testnet. As you can see, this is all the tasks we need to do, and I'll send them. And there are more. This is it. So you come here, pick a task, do it, and then go to the next task and you do it. Okay, so let's go for the NFT. Let's just mint one NFT now. I'll go to a group of where my friends are, then copy this link, come here, new page, and then paste it. When you paste it, make sure you're using the connected wallet of the MON Testnet to do all these tasks so that it can be recording it. Do not use different wallet for different tasks. It's going to be recording those different wallets differently, not the same. That being said, I've already minted before, so I can just click on mint more. Then to ask for confirmation. my wallet, then confirm it. So right now I have minted another NFT. As you can see, you can mint more if you want to keep minting and minting and minting. It depends on how many monad you have on your wallet. So that is basically just about monad. I'll be dropping videos on how to swap and then to perform more tasks on the monad later. Thank you.